In this video, we are here to tackle a common challenge faced by Windows 10 users, the bothersome update and shutdown problem. So to fix it, first of all, you need to move to the services. So you can easily search from the search bar, services. So after that, you need to search for Windows update. So let me find that. So after heading to Windows update, just right click on it and you need to move to properties. So after that, you need to choose the disabled option and then you need to click on OK. So now you can quiet this setting, and after that you need to move to command prompt. So we are going to shut down our computer without using that shutdown option. So yeah, after heading to command prompt, just type shutdown and then you need to type the same thing which I am typing. So after the code, you need to just press enter option. So the last one is 0. You can find the same code in the description, so you can just paste in your computer. So yeah, after the code, your computer will be shut down, and when you open your computer, so the problem will be vanished. And yeah, there you have it. So by following these powerful troubleshooting steps, you should be able to overcome the problem. Following this step, if you are having the same problem, then let me know in the comment section. I'll reply as soon as faster. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. So if you found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for tech related content. So yeah, thanks for watching.